Today we are back out here in the brand new community called Parkplace in Prosper, Texas. A gorgeous gated community, and it's not going to be a big one, but we're still going to have parks, playgrounds, resort style pools. But this place is absolutely insane. They're actually going to take care of your entire lawn maintenance, front, back, side, everything included with the HOA. But the home we're going to show you here today is got some of the most amazing features you've ever seen in a house. I'm talking like I've never seen it before in any home, but this home right here behind us is sitting around 5,400 square feet, 5 bed, 5.5 bath, game room, media study, and they have what they call a children's retreat up there as well. There's so many details in this home that are going to blow you away, and I think you're really going to like it. So let's go ahead and check it out. All right, welcome to the Parkplace model in Parkplace. They keep it nice and simple, but this is one of the coolest homes you have ever seen, and definitely one of the most fun that we've ever filmed. But when you walk into this place, you got these double wrought iron doors, these 20+ foot soaring ceilings, this cool little lookout thing right here. And when you turn around, it is the wow factor once again. From every angle in this house, it's just a wow factor. So you got the double winding staircase looking all the way into your sliding glass doors in the back. It's just absolutely insane. You're gonna absolutely love this house. And it's got 2 primary suites and 2 kitchens. So we're gonna start off here in the corner. Try not to get you lost. We've got a really nice little powder bath right here in the corner as soon as you walk in for your guests. And then one of the coolest parts of this house, of many cool parts, is your second primary suite or master bedroom on the first floor right here. So not 1, but 2. So you've got this amazing bedroom, you got the stone back wall, you've got the beams right here, and then this extra section over here, which is absolutely incredible. A whole sitting area over here. You've got double doors into the outside. You've got all these floor to ceiling glass windows, the beams all the way across. It's absolutely insane. So beautiful setup, walk-in closet. And then you're gonna have of course, your own ensuite bathroom, floor to ceiling, glass and tile. Just a really cool setup right here at the front of the house. Definitely one of the coolest ensuite bedrooms you're gonna see anywhere. And then right around this corner, this is technically what they call their media room. So in the model homes with grand homes, of course, they they're very flamboyant. So a lot of the people are gonna wall these off, but they've got 2 glass sliding doors. I'll just kind of show you right here. An amazing glass sliding door on both sides right here for this media room. You can turn it into whatever kind of room you wanted, a secondary office. But you got a big TV there over in the wall, but just a really cool setup. And then when you come right through here, this is, I don't know what you call it, room. Maybe get a little red light therapy room right here. You got the yoga studio, I don't know, but they got a nice little seating area right over here. A little bar over in this section. So a really cool setup. You can kind of do whatever you want with this space. So then we come through another glass wall right here, looking into your beautiful wine room right here. Of course, glass wall right here. So really cool setup. This is right next to the main entryway that we started at. So you walk in and this is where it really gets exciting. You've got an insane ceiling, tons of natural light. You got windows everywhere. This is called a barrel ceiling, and the attention to detail, everything in here is absolutely amazing. And check out this kitchen. So not 1, but 2 islands. So the first island's gonna have the waterfall edge right here. You're gonna have your sink here, but then you got a separate island right over here. And right off of the kitchen, you're gonna have tons of natural light. Once again, this entire wall on every corner is full of glass, but plenty of room for seating that looks into this incredible kitchen. You got the under counter lighting in here. One of my favorite setups in this house is that typically these are just a wall full of cabinets, but they've got these massive windows right here. And if you're wondering, we got this beautiful Viking KitchenAid appliance right here. Well, you just push this button and there's your vent hood. So keeps you with a ton of natural light. You don't have this full wall that's all dark in here, but an insane setup. If you love to cook, it's about as cool as it gets. So, and if you're wondering, you're like, this kitchen may not be big enough. You've got your hidden fridge right here that matches the cabinetry. Oh, and I got to show you one other thing. They even have a phone charger I just so happen to have another phone that just charges your phone right there, even with the case on it, right through the stone. So insane setup, little things you can do with this. And then you've got your sliding door. You open this up, and you got your chef's kitchen. So if you don't want to get that all messy when everybody's hanging out and all over the place, you've got your chef's kitchen with your 6-burner, beautiful KitchenAid gas stove right here. You've got an additional sink with a window right behind it. Check out this custom Vena hood right here. Tons of cabinetry, and then your wraparound pantry right here. So tons of storage, amazing setup. I'm somebody who cooks all the time for my kids and my family, and I make a huge mess, and I'm always having to clean it. Well, if it's all in there, you can keep this all nice and pretty. But an amazing setup. This is one of the coolest houses for entertaining that you could ask for. You've got one of the biggest sliding glass doors you're gonna see anywhere. You got 4 sections in this slider. So one of the biggest sliders you're gonna see anywhere. It takes this entire back wall. And then you got your modern fireplace right here with this beautiful stone that goes all the way to the top of this ceiling. If you don't like this setup, it's a little too modern for you. They're gonna have other options that you can choose from. And that's one of the things with Grand Homes. You can do all kinds of different options with everything they have. And I didn't show you one other spot. So we're gonna head over into this corner over here. And right off of the kitchen space, of course, this would be your garage back there. This is where this wall starts. But you've got your traditional office space right here. So of course, it's be closed off. This is a model home, but you got the cool little windows, bump out seating area, but plenty of room for an office. Nice modern little setup right off of your kitchen and main living area. And then over in the back corner of the house in your traditional space, you're gonna have your hidden second primary suite on the first floor. So we go into this corner, go down the hallway, and you've got an insane master bedroom right here. So you got this bump out with the big windows. You've got the nice tall cathedral ceilings. I bet it's like 15, 16 feet in here. Tons of room to move around. We got a king size bed, oversized furniture, plenty of room to walk, but definitely a statement piece. Those white oak floors that carries into this room. And then you got your double doors into your beautiful bathroom space. So this is one of the brightest bathrooms ever. I feel like I need sunscreen in here. But you got the under counter lighting, the mirrors that light up, plantation shutters over here. They carried the stone from the countertop all the way over here and down this wall right here. And then of course you've got your soaker standalone modern tub and a wraparound shower right here. So we've got 2 shower heads. If you want a rain shower, you can have that as well. Both the knobs are on opposite sides, so you don't have to worry about getting all wet while you're getting it warm. The floating vanities, everything in here is top notch and just way cooler than most houses are gonna offer. And then right off of this, you've got your laundry space. So they've you can just imagine this being cut off right here. This is where your washer and dryer setup would be. So you have a little countertop with your sink right here, tons of white oak cabinetry on both sides. And even in a modern home like this, they got your little phone with I don't even know what you call that anymore, just a home phone. And then check out this closet space. So beautiful closet space, all the cool LED lighting in here and just mirrors everywhere. Just a really cool setup with the hard floors. What more could you want? So an amazing setup, beautiful house. And hopefully you didn't get too lost in here. If you did, we can just watch it again. Or I can send you the floor plan when you reach out. We can give you all the details of this home. Now we're here on the back patio, and they have decked out this backyard just like the rest of the home, but you've got a massive vaulted covered patio right here with this entire wall right here of glass. It literally just folds out. And then of course the pool doesn't come with it, but kind of just shows you, a lot of people don't think they can fit a pool in a yard that's not super deep, but you definitely can. This is a gorgeous pool setup. You got a full-on fireplace or fire pit right here with real wood burning fire, and this is all turf back here. So if you have the budget for it, it's a great option. Very low to zero maintenance out here. And then even have this covered pergola with your outdoor kitchen that you can get out here as well. Plenty of room for seating. They're still working on a few things out here, but an awesome backyard oasis to go with this incredible home. All right, real quick, if this is your first time to the channel, my name is Preston Gale. I'm a local realtor born and raised here in the Dallas, Texas area, and I've helped hundreds of people relocate to the Dallas area through this channel in the last couple of years. So if you're having any thoughts of moving here now or into the future, or just have questions about new construction or Dallas in general, please don't be shy. Give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. I would love to help you and your family make a smooth move to Dallas. Now let's go check out the rest of this beautiful home. Now we're coming up one of two of these amazing staircases that carry these beautiful hardwood floors to the second floor. And from right here, you can see this entire house, the front, the back, everything, but it's absolutely incredible. But right when you walk up to this left side, you're gonna have this flex room slash game room. Of course, big enough for a pool table, sitting area. I guess you don't really need a TV in here because you've got all the other rooms with TVs, media room downstairs, but an awesome setup. You're gonna have 3 additional bedrooms as well as 3 full bathrooms up here. And this one's kind of unique. So we've got a little storage closet right here and kind of a Jack and Jill bathroom setup right here with beautiful vanities, the under counter lighting we've seen throughout this entire house. They even got the wood floors on the ceiling, which is insane. But the first bedroom up here is a really nice one. So when you have a 2-story home, typically the ceiling height's gonna be around 9 feet, but we've got 10 feet ceilings right here, 10, 11 foot, and it actually goes up even higher with this cool little window up top, but tons of natural light, those nice black windows. You're gonna have the really cool Jack and Jill bathroom that we talked about here just a little bit ago, and a huge walk-in closet over here. And one of the cool features of this bedroom with what grand, they always do something crazy. So you've actually got a little step-up area right here. And I don't even know what you call this. It's like a little nook, little reading area, but you can see the whole house from sitting right here into your backyard. You can see the double staircase, but a really cool little hangout area. Not really sure what this design is. Kind of feels a little bird cage-ish. But yeah, it looks really good. Tall ceilings, cool lighting, but a great place to hang out and read. And then it steps right across to my favorite part of the upstairs. And that is this children's retreat is what they call it. So we saw the game room. Well, this is kind of even a bigger game room. So we've got ceiling height. We got vaulted ceilings right here that are probably 15, 16 feet tall, which is insane. We got the wraparound black windows right here with the wraparound couch. We've got a nice little TV area, little gaming area. You got a little wine fridge over here, but an awesome setup. There's so many things you could do with this. You could turn this into a golf room, golf simulator, man cave, media room, additional media room, workout room, whatever you want to do. Lots of possibilities with the spot. All right, now we're into our next bedroom. So of course, they're all gonna have their own bathrooms. We've got a full bathroom, floor to ceiling tile, the under counter sink or under counter lighting. Once again, a nice walk-in closet and a nice big bedroom with the 10-foot ceilings. Once again, really cool design, little window over here in the corner. So probably the least natural light here in this bedroom. We got the luxury carpet in here as well. And then we'll go into our last bedroom, kind of just flipped from what we just saw. So you got the bathroom on this side. They've actually tiled this entire wall, not just the shower, but the entire room is basically tiled, which is really cool. And then another really good sized bedroom right here with the double door closet and the window over here in the corner. But the ceiling height from the second floor just makes it look so much bigger. But one of the coolest houses you're gonna see anywhere in Dallas, Texas. You know how Grand does it. They make it very grand. They do all types of upgrades. That's something you got to keep in mind as they've upgraded this house as much as they possibly can, but it's a beautiful setup and there's lots of possibilities what you could do. So if you want to build a house out here, you're going to be starting at just over $1 million for a pretty large house, over 3,000 square feet. And if you want to build this home right here, this particular floor plan is going to be just over the $1.2 million mark as far as a starting price. So absolutely amazing home. It's massive. It's got everything you could possibly want in Prosper ISD in a great gated community. So if you're looking to move here or anywhere in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, please don't be shy. Give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. I would love to help you and your family make a smooth move to Dallas. Hope to see you around town, and make sure to check out this next video.